Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Wilderness Systems Pungo 105. The Wilderness Systems Pungo 105 kayak is 10 feet 6 inches long and 30 inches wide. This kayak weighs in at 47 pounds and has a maximum weight capacity of 300 pounds. This kayak sit-inside design allows for drier paddles in wet conditions, and Wilderness Systems Phase 3 Air Pro seating system is one of the most comfortable designs in the kayaking industry. This kayak also features a Pungo dashboard at the front of the cockpit. It has a removable dry box, 2 cup holders, accessory mounting tracks, and a small recess for a waterproof battery to keep your electronics charged on multi-day trips. Best-in-class speed makes the Pungo the easiest to paddle and most efficient kayak in its class. The renowned hull offers reassuring stability without sacrificing performance. Phase 3 Air Pro seat is fully adjustable and offers ergonomic support for your lower back. The mesh-covered honeycomb vented foam allows for greater airflow to keep you cool. Adjustable footrests accommodate paddlers of different sizes and thigh pads provide a more comfortable fit. Pungo dashboard offers a removable dry box, 2 cup holders, slide tracks for accessories and a recess designed for the Wilderness Systems battery to keep electronics charged on the go. Our second best 10 feet kayak is Lifetime Tamarack Pro 103. The Lifetime Tamarack Pro 103 is 10 feet 3 inches long and 31 inches wide. The total weight of this kayak is 57.5 pounds, and it can support a combined paddler and gear weight of up to 300 pounds. While the price of this kayak is comparable to some of the most affordable kayaks on the market, it includes features that you won't find on many cheaper kayaks. 2 flush-mounted fishing rod holders, adjustable foot braces, and mounting tracks for kayaking accessories are included. The Tamarack Pro also includes a small central storage hatch for easy access to your phone or snacks while on the water, as well as large open storage compartments with bungee rigging at the bow and stern for additional storage space for a cooler or fishing tackle box. The adjustable framed seat and adjustable footrests let you optimize your comfort to the ideal position. Deep hull channels for tracking performance and chine rails for stability. Center storage hatch with bucket included, deeper tank well for greater storage capacity. For details, let's watch more. third choice in our list is Pelican Bass Creek 100 XP Angler. If you want to go kayak fishing, the Pelican Bass Creek 100 XP Angler is another great option. This kayak is 10 feet long, 31.5 inches wide, and 16 inches deep in the cockpit. It can also support a maximum weight of 325 pounds, and the kayak weighs 50 pounds. 2 flush-mounted fishing rod holders behind the seat, a swivel-mounted rod holder in the cockpit, and 6 eyelets for attaching your favorite fishing accessories are among its fishing-specific features. The multi-chine flat-bottom hull offers excellent stability, giving you a secure and steady ride. It procures you the balance you need when casting lines and reeling in fish, while making it incredibly easy to get in and out of the kayak. The adjustable ErgoFit G2 seating system is specially designed with thicker ergonomic padding to provide targeted cushioning and better airflow. This one-of-a-kind manufacturing process enables us to include extra flotation inside the hulls of all of our sit-on tops in order to meet or exceed ABIC standards. The maximum capacity is 325 pounds. The additional scupper holes at the bottom of the kayak are completely safe and aid in the drainage of any excess water that may enter your watercraft. Along with a flat hull design, it provides you with peace of mind while riding. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Lifetime Cruise 100 Sit-In Kayak. The Lifetime Cruise 100 Sit-Inside Kayak has a length of 10 feet and a width of 30 inches. This kayak weighs 46 pounds in total and has a maximum weight capacity of 275 pounds. This kayak's deep hull channels provide excellent tracking ability, and the harder chine rails provide excellent primary stability. This kayak also has molded-in footrest positions, which eliminates the need to adjust the foot braces for different paddlers. Adjustable quick-release seat back and seat pad for comfort. Deep hull channels for tracking performance and chine rails for stability. Multiple footrest positions for different size paddlers. Oval hatch for added storage beneath the deck. Stable flat bottom hull design, front and rear toggle handles for easy transport. Last in our top 5 best 10 feet kayak list is Pelican Maxim 100X Recreational Kayak. The Pelican Maxim 100X measures 10 feet long and 28 inches across. At just 36 pounds, it's one of the lightest kayaks on our list, and it also boasts a maximum weight capacity of 275 pounds. Pelican kayaks are widely known for their durable and resilient design. Using twin-sheet thermoforming technology, Pelican produces a material that can easily be popped back into place if your kayak is bent or dented accidentally. Additional storage in this kayak includes a front hatch with bungee cord and a rear tank well with mesh deck cover to give you plenty of space to store your personal items. Features also include a cockpit table with compartments and a bottle holder, as well as molded footrests for your comfort. The shallow V-chine hull offers better maneuverability and tracking while giving you increased secondary stability. This kayak is made for the recreational paddler looking for better performance. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.